Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can contact Hostinger live chat support to solve your website issues. Let's go on the Google and search for the Hostinger. Then let me go on the Hostinger of your website, and after that simply log in. And here you can easily log in with email and password. Also you can log in with the Google accounts. Simply click here and after that Hostinger Global. Now if you are getting any issues or if you want to install WordPress, how you can go on the Hostinger live chat support team, click here, and after that here you need to select from these issues. Simply scroll down, and for example here you can see if you want to transfer your website, simply click here, scroll down, and after that now simply select one of these. Then here you can see chat option, click here, now scroll down, then click here message, click here. After that here you can type your issue. For example, I want to install WordPress in my domain. Now Hostinger team will reply here. Here you can see the time under a minute. So they have a fast support team that will solve your issues related to the hosting as well as domains. So thank you for watching video.